welcome to today's video. I'm going to attempt a skull look. I have yet to do like an intricate face design thing, especially Halloween related, so we're gonna go ahead and give it a whirl. Let me use my new handy dandy little clips I got from Romwe. Am I a beauty guru now that I have hair clips? Oh, I don't even know like how to get started. Alright, to prime my face, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Cucumber Primer Water. Now I'm going to use the Too Faced Born This Way Foundation in the shade Swan. I do have a few things I've already written down that I want to do for Halloween looks. If you guys have anything specific you want to see me do, you can always send me a DM on Instagram. You can drop a comment down below. I would love to take your ideas and put my own creative twist on it.
Okay guys, so here I am using a ColourPop liner pencil just to kind of line where I want the jawline to be. I'm not going to keep this as a design. This is just so I can know where to put the eyeshadow to start carving out the cheekbone. And here is where I am shading in with eyeshadow. The eyeshadow palette I'm using is a palette from Ace Beauty. I'm using like a pink purple shade, and then I'm going to go in with a dark purple shade on the inside to kind of show like different levels of depth. And notice how I don't fully blend the purple into the pink. I want to keep them separate because we are doing a skull look. We want everything to be clean and cut.
I'm gonna go in with this ColourPop pencil so I can make like really detailed teeth.
And just keep in mind guys, when it does come to drawing the teeth, they don't have to be perfect. We are just laying out an outline for when we go back and fill in the teeth later. We go in with the eyeshadow later on to kind of carve and more so perfect the teeth. But they're just teeth, they're really basic. You don't have to stress out too much over them. Here I am using a blue eyeshadow to kind of show the depth and bring a little vibrancy to the look, and I think this blue color went really well with the other colors. I think it looks so vibrant, and I was worried about it at first, but I love how the colors all came together. And here I am using the blue to start kind of carving out the mouth and the teeth for the skull effect.
I'm gonna use the white liner from ColourPop to start lining in the teeth.
Alright guys, my one piece of advice is to please not use a gel eyeliner to fill in the teeth or really any part of the makeup look when you're filling in like large areas. Throughout this look and video, after like 30 minutes, my mouth started getting super stiff and it was getting dry and cracked. I really should have used the face paint palette that I have, and I eventually used it on the eyes. But it was too late at that point, so yeah, just to avoid stiffness and cracking, don't use a gel eyeliner like I did. So here is where I am using the blue eyeshadow to carve out the teeth and kind of perfect the shape and form that I want the teeth to look, and just separates them and gets rid of any unwanted outlines that I did before. But like this blue gives such good depth to the teeth and the mouth area, so a darker color is definitely the way to go when it comes to doing the teeth. Now I am outlining my nose to kind of draw the skeletal nose that I'm going to try and go for. And here I am again, just using that blue to shade in any areas where I'm not going to have any bone structure. And again, just really emphasize the depth of the area. So now I'm just going to fill in the eye socket area with white. Here I'm using that gel liner again, like an idiot. My eye will start to stiffen, so I'm eventually going to go in with the CC Beauty Face and Body Palette, and I'm going to finish off with that white for both sides. And I eventually realized to myself, why did I not do this sooner? But whatever, lesson learned, now I know better for next time. Now for the last part that I'm doing, I'm using that white paint to kind of just have like a little depth going on for the head area, because there's not much going on there. So just kind of bring a little depth, a little separation, so it's not just one big pink blob head, if you get what I'm saying.
Alright guys, so this is the final look. How do you guys like how it turned out? I am obsessed with the color scheme and how like, oh, the vibrancy and everything. This black wig was such a good idea, guys. I got it off Amazon for like 10 bucks, 8 bucks, whatever. My very first Halloween like look, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay. Do you like mommy's makeup? Okay. Does mommy look crazy? If you guys can see, she started doing her own makeup there. You will kiss? You're so sweet. Give me a kiss. Oh. If you guys did enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. That way you can join the family and help us grow. Make sure to turn on my notification bell. That way you are notified the second a video goes up. Be sure to follow me on all my social media. I will be linking everything in the description down below and also at the end of the video. I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.